Hello everyone, so we're here from this one. It is quarterfinals in this analysis of these games in Women's Speed Chess Championship 2025. So online chess here. So it means online from this one in this battle of this one. So today is quarterfinals, so top 8. So how many clocks within 5 minutes and 1 second? So I choose up this game 5 from these quarterfinals, and also have between from this one in this Grandmaster in China Hu Yifan versus Grandmaster in India Divya Deshmukh. So Divya wins from these quarterfinals, defeats against my favorite grandmaster in China, Lei Tingqi. So it means eliminate this one. So in this today's game 5 from this quarterfinals in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this quarterfinals. So white plays Yifan is e4, c5 Sicilian by Deshmukh, knight f3, d6. So it means these are the main lines by used by knight to c6 or maybe e6. So e6 is a main line. So d6 by Deshmukh, and also d4 captured, exchange variation, knight takes captured, and also knight f6 threat by e4, and also knight c3 by controls by determinations by advantage. This one by develops here. So according this one by this computer cells. So it means once of these continuations here. And also pawn to a6 by no more by bishop to b5 check. So it means these are the connecting by pass pawns here. And also pawn a4. So realized by Yifan, this one is very good determinations, and also and also e5. I'm sorry, I got sore throat, something my throat in this one. And also e5 by attacks, counter attacks by knights. Oh, why moves go back knight f3? So it means so knight f3. So why don't we try is used by knight to b3? But it's okay here. So it's okay, I move this one. For me, I move this one by knight to b3. So it means according this one by examples here from this one. So Yifan, knight f3 by backwards here. Bishop e7 by preparing castling by Deshmukh. So preparing by castling from this one, and bishop g5. So it means continuation is good. So good from this move by bishop to g5 by Yifan. Bishop e6. Oh, what a nice shot. Good my. Oh, this is not mine. Sorry, continuation. So it means so bishop e6. So good determinations. So also move by Deshmukh. So it means nice shot. This one bishop e6. It's not about me, so it's about her. So it means bishop e6, and decided bishop takes captured. Bishop takes captured. Oh, without bishop pairs or knight pairs. So bishop pairs, and also one knights, and double knights and one. So one bishop here. And also knight to d5 by counters attacks by bishop. So these are the targets by connecting, and also knight to c6 here, and also bishop c4. What a good shot by Yifan. So Yifan, this one, so it means very good, slight goods here from this one, and castling by Deshmukh here, and also c3, and also rook c8 with idea by continuations by Deshmukh here, and also castling by Yifan, king to h8. Something this virus by this connecting this computer, so my laptop is cannot work. And let's continue king force h8 by Deshmukh here, and also queen d2. So according this one by Grandmaster Judith Polgar, so it means so queen d2 is does not want. So according this one by chess.com database, so it means these are a novelty. by queen d2. So according this one said by GM Judith Polgar. So it means no more booklets novelty. So these are the old main lines here. The first good novelty is queen to e2, and also second is knight to backwards e3, and third is rook to e1. So rook e1 is a first, second, third novelty. So it means so new novelty is queen d2. According this one by said by Grandmaster Judith Polgard, so doesn't one move by queen d2. So it means this is our code novelty. So novelty of this one by new move here from this one, and also bishop g4 by attacks, counters, attacks by knights, and queen d3. Bishop takes captured, bad move. So the best moves there is one is bishop backwards. Bishop backwards e7. So next maneuver is pawn to f5. So according by this one said by Grandmaster Judith Polgar, so it means according this research from these videos here. So slightly better from this advantage for blacks here. So advantage here by blacks. So back there, this one, bishop takes captured, queen takes captured, and bishop g5. So with ideas by moves, or I don't know what the meaning this one. For moves, this one is f5. So according this one by continuous. And also bishop a2 backwards. And also knight e7 by counters attacks by knights. So these are the bishop revolves by knights. So these are the according examples here. And decided rook ad1 by defense by knights here, and knight takes captured, bishop takes captured. Oh, these are the slightly opposite color bishop. So slightly opposite color bishop. So according this one by research. So according that, so slightly opposite color bishop from this one, and also queen d7, and also rook d3. So it means bad move. So the best moves there is b3. So b3 here. So slightly good examples here on this one. So back there, this one is rook d3, g6 brand x move. The branded move is f5 here. So f5 is the best one. So if you capture this, pawn takes captured, and rook takes captured. So these are etc etc. So slightly advantage for blacks here. So according this one by continuous here. So back there, this one is g6 by Grandmaster Deshmov, and so it means wrong move. And backwards queen d1 by Yifan, and bishop a7. So it means, so I love this slightly opposite color bishop. So according this one, so same by, not same, but also slightly opposite color bishop. And also queen b3, with idea by attacks this one, with threats by pawns. So these are the connecting by target bishop. So according this one by continuous. And also b5 by counters attacks by pawns, and rook a1 without defense by develops by pawns. And also rook b8, capture this pawn, captured, bad move. Rook takes captured, so it means another bad move. The best moves is pawn captured only, so it means captured. So these are the slightly here, so slightly by advantage here. Back there is rook takes captured from this one, and queen to c2, and also a5. Without a5, a5 from this one, or maybe here by continuous here, and also queen a4, and also rook d8, another bad move by Deshmov, by third bad move. So the best one's computer is f5 here. So f5 is the best move. So f5 is the best moves here. So f5 here from this one. So after this one is rook d8 by Deshmov, and rook backwards brand x move. So it means the branded move is b4. So b4 is a branded move. So if we capture this pawn, takes captured and takes by pawns. So slightly advantage for whites here from this one. So back there, this one is back there is rook d2 backwards and bishop g5 with the idea by threats the rooks. So attack this one, counters attacks by rooks and rook e2 and also rook c5 by used by without queen to queen and ignoring by Yifan. So for example, so why don't capture this queen to queen? So how do you think from this one? And rook takes captured. So these are the slightly opposite color bishops. So same by two rooks. So these are the continuous. So best examples here from this one. So slightly goods here. So back there, this one is ignoring by Yifan queen b3 and king g7 without king must be active. So it means 5 seconds by dash move. So it means dying seconds. So almost time is up. Time is up if I'm this running out of time from this cock and almost 1 minute and 8 seconds by Yifan. So according this one, the fasting very hard by blitz chess. So according this one, bullet chess very hard from this 1 minute. So let's continue king g7 and also h3. Without h3 by Yifan from this one without continuations and also queen to c7 without rook behind the queens and also rook a4. It's very good slightly moves by Yifan here and also rook b8 counters attacks by queens and backwards queen a2 battery rook cb5. So it means I forgot something. So these are the rooks or upcoming by battery. Oh, same by battery. So it means battery rook cb5 by Deshmukh. So it means name by Deshmukh here. So it means 5 seconds and Deshmukh and 54 seconds by Yifan. So it's slightly good here. So let's continue rook cb5 here and rook c4 bad move. So threatening by queens here. So the best one's computer is c4. So the best move c4 here. c4. So it means according this one, so slightly goods from this one advantage here. So back there, this one is rook c4 here from this one and queen d8. So it means run x move from this dash move. So it means so the branded move this one is queen to b6 here. So it means without queen b6 here by this one. So it means these are the advantage for blacks here from this one. So these are good examples here. So back there, this one is queen d8 by Deshmukh here and also rook c6 here and also queen e7, queen c4 bad move. So the best moves there is c4 here. So threatening by rooks. So it means these are the advantage this one from whites here. So according this one by continuous. So back there, this one is queen c4 by Yifan here and also queen f6 another brand x move by Deshmukh. So the best moves is h5. So h5 here from this one. So slightly better here. So back there, this one is queen f6 by Deshmukh and also rook c7. Oh, with idea by here or attacks by pawns without check. So because these are the bishops and queens, so upcoming by mating next. So these are the dangerous by blacks here. So very dangerous here. And let's continue queen or rook c7. Sorry, so it means rook c7 by Yifan. So I'm sorry, got very confused the wrong notes here. So rook c7 and king h6. So it means bad move. So it means upcoming by mating net. So almost 1 seconds by dash move and also 31 seconds by Yifan. So it means varying dying seconds, very hard by Blitz or Bullet here. So it means let's continue. King h6 bad move, and rook takes captured. Without rook takes here. Queen d8, and also queen backwards a2, rook c5, and also g3. So it means without upcoming mating net here from this one, or with the idea by without move by h4 attacks this bishop. So these are the slightly opposite color bishop. These are slightly opposite color by determination. Slightly opposite color bishop. And also rook c b5 by back by battery, and h4. Oh, h4. So it means h4 by counters attacks by bishop, and bishop c1, or maybe without controls by attacks this one, or threatening the pawns, or rook attacks this counter attacks by pawns. So it means these are the battery. So according this one, this triple double battery, and one bishop here, and also queen b1. So it means without threatening the bishop, and also bishop takes captured. So what do you think the perfect shot by brilliant move? So guessing puzzle, brilliant move by Grandmaster Wu Hifan. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Rook takes captured. What a perfect, brilliant move by Grandmaster Hu Hifan. So it means sacrifice or double exclamation mark. Sound like upcoming by bad weather, rainy seasons. So it means rook takes captured, brilliant sacrifice move, and rook takes captured, and queen c1 check. Oh, with the idea decided by upcoming by meeting net here. And also covering g5 here, and capture this pawn check, and also king g6, and also king g2, a4, and also queen h1. Oh, so it means with the idea by upcoming by here, I don't know. Oh, so it means upcoming by captured capture this pawn, or upcoming by meeting net by this one. So it means upcoming by meeting net. So it means almost 1 seconds by dash move, and 8 seconds by Hui fan. So it means 9 seconds. So it means queen h1 continues, and queen defense h8. So it means another bad move. So these are the dying seconds by 1 second. So the second puzzle, what do you think the last shot within resigns by these black pieces by Grandmaster? So guessing puzzles here. So last shot from this one coming by meeting net. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. The last shot, queen h6 mating net. So it means, so almost here from this one, lose from blacks here. Sun upcoming this bad weather, rainy seasons. So it means winning from this one, from this Grandmaster Wu Yifan. So what's the score from this one? This one. So it means the score from this Grandmaster by Wu Yifan is 10.5, and the score by Grandmaster Divya Deshmukh 9.5. So it means, so Grandmaster Deshmukh knockout by eliminates by quarterfinals. So congratulations, Grandmaster Wu Yifan by advanced by semifinals. So it means, I thought Dashmukh was winning from this Grandmaster. So it means India on this one. So I hope at this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi 17, aka Icon 17, and don't forget to subscribe by my YouTube Mark Loagi 17 by English and Mark Loagi 17 Part 2 Filipino and Cebuano, and don't forget to view my videos in this like of these videos. So keep updates of these next chess updates. Bye bye.